Hi there. My name is Parker Glynn-Adey, and I'm an assistant professor of mathematics at the University of Toronto in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And I'd like to share with you a string figure, a very nice action figure made by Joseph D'Antoni, one of the organizers of the International String Figure Association. You can find this in String Figure Magazine Vol.6, number 4. It's a lot of fun. It looks something like this. It's an absolutely wonderful action figure, and I hope that you enjoy making it as much as I do.